My name is Isirim Margret, Bukedea District, Kotia Parish, Sub-County Ligoi. Before joining Gudie Leisure Farm, I was doing business, selling drinks, beer, waraji, the one which is sealed, then sodas like that. It was okay somehow. I got to know Gudie Leisure Farm through counselors and LOC1. I was wanted to know something more. I was wanted to come because I wanted to get more, to get something what I can do. Like yes, I'm in aquaculture class. I've learned about how to construct a pond. When you're opening how to constructing a pond, you must have a rope, a tape measure, pegs, slashers, hose, and spaders. I've learned how to grow fish from the fingerling to the table size. In table size, you use 0.8 fingerling. That is fingerling. In table size, you have to use 6 meals of feed. 6 meals of feed, you have to feed them 2 times a day. Then in 0.8, you have to use 3 times a day in fingerlings. The difference between a catfish and a male catfish. In a catfish, it has a smaller open, then the male one has a large open. In the Gudie Leisure Farm, I've again learned how to make beads, necklaces. These beads again for tying the whatever the head like this around the face, and how to make a pad. When I go back home, I'll go and teach other people behind there how aquaculture is.